Hello children, happy Independence Day. So today we will talk about Independence Day, okay? So when we say that today is Independence Day, when we are wishing each other happy Independence Day, what does it mean? What makes us independent? When we can do our work ourselves in a free manner, whatever we want to do we can do, wherever we want to go we can go, and we can do it by our own interest, understood? But the things were not like this in our country before many years ago, okay? So what happened, I'll tell you in a example, okay? Suppose some people have come from outside and told that this is my house and I will stay from today here, and you people have to do whatever I am telling you. So what your whole family will do, tell me? Your family, what they will do? Your parents, or mother, father, grandparents, they will come forward together and they will fight with those outsiders and they will kick them away. They will tell that this house is ours, we will not let you in. So likewise in our nation, many years ago Britishers came and they tried to stay here forever, and they were telling that this land is ours and you people are our slaves, you have to do things according to our wish. So that time what we did, our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Chhatrapati Shivaji and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, those all freedom fighters and many more in different states, many are there. They all came together and they fought against the Britishers, and they their very hard work, after their life sacrifices, we got this precious freedom. Now we can do whatever we want to do. Now we can go wherever we want to go. But our great grandparents have sacrificed a lot for these things. That's why what is our responsibility? Our responsibility is to keep all these things in a proper way. Like still we need to get freedom from pollution, from corona, from corruption. Many things are there, but I'll tell you, for pollution we should not pluck the leaves when you're going to the garden unnecessarily. Don't pluck the leaves, and plant more trees. And which plants, small plants you have in your garden or at home, you water them nicely, take care of those plants, okay? Those plants only give us oxygen, right? And another thing is like whenever you are leaving one room, you should switch off the light and fan, so that these all facilities will be available for our next generation also. And you people, the small kids of this nation will become big, brave people. So you have the responsibility to keep all these things in a proper way for next generation, understood? You have to take care of your parents, your grandparents, this nation. Now you are small, but when you'll grow big, and if you, while brushing, you are keeping the tap open and keeping it tap open for full brushing time, then when you'll grow old, that time water will not be available. That time how you will brush, right? How you will take bath. So we have to be very much careful to storing all these things properly. So this is the thing, we have got the freedom with a lot of difficulties, and sacrifices the lives of our freedom fighters. So we should be thankful to them, and we should be responsible while using those things nowadays, okay? Now tell me, what is the meaning of tricolor in our flag? See, our flag has 3 colors, as you can see: saffron, white and green. See children, never say orange for saffron color, because orange sometimes it is, if it is ripened, it's orange, sometimes it's little bit yellowish, sometimes it's green. So orange is not the proper color. But saffron color is always one, and the same. So that's why we should call it as saffron. In Hindi we call it kesari. And white, safed, green, hara. Okay, so saffron denotes the symbolizes the strength and courage. See, you people are so much strengthy and courageous, right? So this denotes the strength and courage. Our soldiers are having so much strength and courage. So saffron indicates the strength and courage of our soldiers, of our country. And you children, you are so strong, no? White indicates peace and harmony. We all want peace and harmony, no? We don't want fightings. So peace and harmony. And green denotes the fertility and growth of the nation. Our nation is known for farming, right? So the green color indicates the growth and fertility of the nation. Understood the meaning of tricolor? Middle chakra is in blue color, Ashok chakra, and in which 24 sticks are there, so which shows the 24 hours of the day. So we should plan our day in such a manner that our energy should be not wasted. And if you are very often falling down, getting hurt yourself, then how you will serve our country afterwards? So being little bit naughty is okay, but don't be very much naughty. Don't annoy your parents, because after few years when you will grow up, you have to take care of our country. So you have to be very much strong and courageous, right? So you have to be, if you will get hurt yourself, then how you are going to serve our country, right? So you have to be very much strong, and you have to be very much focused in your studies, sports and co-curricular activities, everything. Okay, so try to be very much responsible, children. And you know what is our national fruit? That's a mango. And national tree, that is banyan tree, because banyan tree gives us lots and lots of oxygen. And the root comes from the branches, and wherever it touches the ground, again it grows a new tree. So that's why it's holy tree of our nation also. And banyan tree is our national tree. Then lotus is our national flower. Then national animal, what is our national animal? Yes, tiger is a national animal. And the beautiful bird, which bird is our national bird? Yes, peacock is our national bird. And likewise, which is our national anthem? Jana Gana Mana, right? And always remember one thing, children, whenever we sing Jana Gana Mana, we have to stand in our place. Wherever we are, we have to stand in our place. And if you are not in a position to stand up, so better don't sing that song, okay? So that is our national anthem. We have to show respect to our nation, right? So better we should stand up and sing. Then Vande Mataram is our national song. Okay, so we will sing Vande Mataram together. Okay, get up. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Sasya Shyamalam, Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhra Jyotsna Fulakitayamini, Fullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini, Shubhashini Sumadhura Bhashini, Sukhadam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. attention. Now we will sing national anthem, okay? जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंग, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग, तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे। भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम।